Kia ora again. Matua Whaitiri Potoa here with my beautiful wife, Samara Potoa. So I just wanted to recap our challenge for this week is the highest score of consecutive throws. Yeah. So let's all start with a boom, chip, and then throw the right, throw the left, and then keep throwing right, left until the catches are no longer clean or the pace has slowed down too much. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, 12. Yeah. So here we go. Let's give it one more go and then I'll leave it to you guys to see who can score the highest. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, 46, yes! Ka pai. So, comment on this post, let me know how many you can score. Ka pai whānau, ka kite anō.